Hi, it's Alexa with Houzz Pro. In this video, you'll learn how to maximize the number of quality leads you receive from your Houzz Pro subscription. To access this feature, click the gear icon in the upper right and click Subscription Manager. This will take us to a list of all our packages, and for this example, we're going to be using the California Contra Costa County package. We'll click Edit Package in the blue button, and you'll arrive at the lead settings page where you can update your project match lead setting. Here we're going to edit the acceptable client budget, and this means you can check off what level of budget you're willing to work on a project for. And we've asked homeowners the level rather than the amount of the project they're willing to pay for because they're more comfortable answering that question. Once we've selected the level of budget we'll work for, we can click Save, and then if we select all, it will apply to all of our packages. Now we'll scroll down to the next item, Scope of Services, and here we can select which of the design, construction, and installation services we offer, and if they are a standalone service or bundled together. And then it will ask you if you offer sales, installation, and repair services, so you can check off which of these you offer, and if they're standalone or bundled together. Now we can click Save, select all to apply to all packages, and apply. Now we'll scroll down and click Edit by the standalone services provided. You'll see this fire icon, and that means that this is a popular service among homeowners and more likely to generate project inquiries if you offer this service. When checking off the services you provide, it's important to remember that you should only select services you're willing to offer as a standalone service. And remember that all of these services will be used for the Houzz directory so that homeowners can filter by project and find your business. First, it starts with the services available for Visual Project Match. These images have a big impact on whether potential clients choose you or not, so make sure you pick your best project photos that are relevant to each service. Once you've checked off the service you offer, you can edit the images by clicking on the plus sign. Then you'll see a screen where you can select your photos. You can select photos from projects or from all photos that you've already uploaded to your Houzz profile. Select the photos for this service, and you can select more than one, and click Save. For some services, Houzz Pro's machine learning algorithm will automatically generate images that represent this service. You can change these images by clicking on the pencil icon and select images that you prefer. And here you have the option to select which photos you want to display. Click Save to update the images you've selected. And make sure you also click Save on the category as a whole. Select all and apply. A message will appear at the bottom of the screen telling us the images have been updated and that they'll go through the Houzz approval process. We can click Got It and then click Edit to continue selecting the rest of the services available for Project Match. These are also standalone services you offer, but less visual. Go through and select the services that you offer as standalone services. And remember, this fire icon shows which services are most popular among homeowners. Go ahead and click Save for this section as well, and then select all if you want that, and apply.
Now we'll move on to the Location tab. This is where you can let Houzz know the locations you work in, so you receive tailored leads.
The location feature for leads is currently only available for certain locations with a high density of leads and will be expanding to other locations in the future. It's important to note that to maximize the number of leads you receive, you should keep all areas within the market selected that you work in. We can tailor the location of our leads by selecting which zip codes we work in. For example, if we do not work in 94520, we'll click on that. And then if we know there's an entire city that we do not work in, we can uncheck the box for that city. You're also able to search by zip or postal code, and this way you can easily check or uncheck different locations you work in.
You also have the ability to select all or deselect all.
You can use the map on the right to take a closer look at the locations in your region. For example, if you know that you work in a certain area but you're not sure exactly which zip or postal code it is, you can take a look at the map and figure it out. Keep in mind, however, that this map is not interactive, meaning you can use it to look closer at the region, but you still need to manually select the areas that you work in from the buttons on the left. Once you've finished marking the areas that you do and do not work in, click Save. You can scroll up and click back to Subscriptions.
Here you can set the lead settings
for any of your other packages by clicking the blue Edit Package button beneath each package title.
Now you know how to set up your lead settings so you receive high quality and fitting leads. Thanks for watching.